I have no idea what's going on. Armenia in Quindio, coffee region. So I want to talk about something happened twice. First date with the parents. Colombia is known for this dating app scam. I'm like the only foreigner. Muchas gracias. Gracias.
Que se nos dio del camino, tiene la viña bendita del
No sé, no podemos verte, mira. Parece como si íbamos a la escuela, en el bus. So I'm walking in the city center of Armenia in Quindio, so I'm still in the coffee region. It reminds me a little bit of the popular neighborhood of Bogota. The only difference is I feel, let's say, way safer here. People just don't care. They just tell me I'm tall and they ask to take pictures or they just smile, but they're like nice. I'm still the only foreigner here. I haven't seen any foreigners around, which is great, to be honest. So since I said it wasn't filtered, I want to talk about something that you guys asked me. Where do I meet the people that I see here? Well, I meet them on Bumble, a dating app with a clear profile saying I'm traveling around the country and I'm looking for people to show me around. I'm going in a friendly way. Like, okay, I'm just here for a couple of days, I'm traveling, so if you want to date and just show me your favorite coffee place, let's go. So I go with this mindset, with also kind of safe, interesting dynamics. Twice, it happened twice, that I met women with their family, like first date with the parents, because they obviously I'm a foreigner and they don't know me and I'm not from here, so it can also look dodgy from their side and it can also look dodgy from my side. Okay, I'm just gonna go to someone's house that I don't know, so it's like you have an address, you go and you pray that it's not a trap. But to be honest, nothing dodgy ever happened. I only met a very interesting, smart woman. From my experience so far, it's pretty safe, because I heard in Europe that Colombia is known for this dating app scams. I mean, I think it's like everything, you have to just open your eyes to feel if the people are real or fake or whatever. So as usual, just take care of yourself.
Fuimos canalizando.
I have no idea what's going on. Wearing my full tourist outfit. It's the full setup of I'm a fucking tourist. Just the camera, talking to myself in English.
Fue este 27, 428, Boyacá, Boyacá.
Te presento a mi abuela.
Buenos días. So I'm in Armenia now, it's Sunday. I'm not talking in English too much on the street because I'm really the only tourist. And I don't want to drag too much attention to me and to the camera, so I'm gonna cut it off. So it's a little tricky here because it's countryside, so unfortunately it's actually pretty poor. There is a lot of homeless people. They're not bad, they're not mean, they're not... I haven't seen anything weird. It's just there is a lot, and because I'm like the only foreigner, I really not very, I'd say, discreet. And I don't feel like attracting too much attention on me. So yeah, I'm not gonna talk too much with my camera in the street like this.